So this is the full video on my KOTT 125 dirt bike. So let's get into that. So this is, like I said, a TT 125 dirt bike with a custom kickstand, grips, motor, supercharged, aftermarket exhaust. It's actually straight piped. The muffler does not have any of the little holes inside of it, so that makes it so then it gets a lot hotter. Or actually, it's pretty hot right now. Makes it so it gets a lot hotter and is louder because it doesn't muffle anything. Brand new seat, new plastics, new back rear fender, but new shifter with a quick shifter built into it actually. Custom kickstand, titanium, brake, clutched. Now let's get into the internals. This right here is a upgraded Nibby choke. Or clutch, not clutch, choke, with an upgraded valve tube for air, new transmission, not a new motor, same motor, new forks with, I think, 14 inches of travel. Let me go get a tape measure. I have the tape measure. Okay, let's see. From the very bottom up, nowhere near 14. Hold on. Let's see. I think it's like 9. 8.5 inches of travel, or I think, I don't know how many centimeters that is, but it's a lot. Then I have upgraded spark plug, new spark plug. Basically, brand new back rear brakes. I think it uses mineral oil or just like normal fluid. It's got brand new tires. It used to have, I think, 2 inches of tread on these, but I've worn them down so much. Still spins good. Same with the back. This used to have 2.5 inches of tread on them. They still got like half an inch. Yeah, just about half an inch. Right in the back. And then just under half an inch in the front. You got a titanium chain. I don't know if you can see it, but right there is sticking out. The pin is about to come out, and it's not the best. That makes the chain go like, that is what makes the chain go up like this every time it's just rolling. Here, I'll start the bike real quick. Yeah, look at that. So that's basically all that happens. But when you're going fast, it can be pretty annoying. Back tire is flat. I can't push it down. I have a broken hand. It's also on a stand, but it's pretty flat. Front tire's still doing good. Still steer as well. I think I need to get a light for here because I also do nighttime riding. This is a 5-gallon tank that goes all the way under the seat, back to right here. Stops right back there in the battery. That's about it. I'm gonna put up some videos of me riding real quick, and then yeah, that's about it.
Give one to him.
Go up to the hill closer. Go closer to the hill. Jump. Jackson, go closer to the hill. Put your front tire on the hill. There you back, roll back. A little bit back a little bit more. Good, right there. There you go. There you go. Put the kickstand up. You don't want to do it? I'm waiting for you to drive off. Put it in first gear, just don't rip. Start it up.